Who's got a little orange friend, delicious orange friend? Let's see. Who's got a green and leafy friend, a quite nutritious friend? That's me. Everywhere I look I see another yummy friend or three. How did I get so lucky to have so many vegetable friends? My friends, my friends, my friends, my friends. These are my friends, my friends, my friends. Who's got a cauliflower pal, a nice and crunchy pal? Well, gee. Who's got a corny cobby pal, covered in butter pal? That's me. I don't know what I would do without my special veggie crew. If only everybody knew how much I love my vegetable friends. My friends, my friends.